University offers high-quality academic programs and personalized student support for both your college and career success.
We will help you pursue your passion, realize your potential, and reach your goals. As an Eagle, you will earn your degree from an institution that has many unique and nationally ranked programs and a long-standing reputation for academic quality. MSU has 145 undergraduate degree programs with 23 professional program preparations, which help our graduates get accepted into professional schools, including law and medical, at rates above both state and the national average. We have excellent programs in creative and performing arts, communications, education, business science and technology that meet the demands of our region. We also offer a high-impact, career-focused education that will help you get a job in your chosen field. MSU has top-ranked programs in nursing, veterinary technology, and graphic design, and we are currently ranked a top 15 university in the South by U.S. News & World Report.
From the moment you become an Eagle, Morehead State is invested in your success as a student. MSU provides you with the support and resources you need, including advising, tutoring, career planning, and job placement. These services will help you excel in the classroom and feel confident and prepared when you enter the job market. The historic Camden Carroll Library gives you access to online research tools. It supports your academic work through the Learning Technology Lab, Tutoring and Learning Center, Instructional Technology Center, and the Research and Help Desk. As a student, you can gain valuable real-world experience and have a life resource through our Center for Career Development and Experimental Education. Learn how you can participate in the service learning, education abroad, and internships while gaining valuable skills in resume building, networking, and nailing your job interview. Plus, Business Insider named the city of Morehead one of the 20 best college towns in America to start your career. MSU's warm and welcoming environment and facilities make time outside the classroom exciting and worthwhile. If you want to stay active or engaged with fellow Eagles, you will love our nationally ranked Recreation and Wellness Center. The Rec Center, ranked 29th nationally by College Consensus, houses 3 basketball courts, 2 racquetball courts, a swimming pool with a whirlpool, and multiple fitness areas with squat racks, free weights, and machines for resistance training and cardio. While the Recreation and Wellness Center is focused on your physical health, Morehead State's Counseling and Health Services is the place to go for medical issues. We provide both medical care and mental health services for your well-being. MSU's scenic campus is perfect if you love the outdoors. With Eagle Lake within walking distance or Cave Run Lake just a short drive away, there are plenty of opportunities to walk, hike, and bike. You can make the most of your surroundings by using MSU's outdoor adventures. You can rent paddleboards, hammocks, kayaks, and camping equipment, or sign up for one of the many workshops and organized trips throughout the year. 95% of our students receive some kind of scholarship or financial aid. In fact, Morehead State awarded nearly $18 million in scholarships and grants through institutional aid and the MSU Foundation. We have helpful financial aid counselors available to help make this process as easy as possible. Your application is all we need to apply for institutional scholarships and the research and award additional financial support. Our merit-based scholarship program encourages some of the best and brightest students to become Eagles. MSU also has an expanded scholarship program, and we will help you explore additional opportunities. Morehead State University was recently ranked the 23rd most affordable university in the nation by College Consensus, the only public university in Kentucky to be listed in the top 100.
Morehead State University wants to provide the best environment possible for you to live, learn, and find a community where you belong. The Rocky Adkins Dining Commons, also known as The Rock, is our 25,000 square foot dining facility attached to the East Parking Complex. It is one of our most popular dining destinations due to its made-to-order cooking stations and its menu options: Asian stir-fry, pasta and comfort food to healthy options, fresh baked desserts, and ice cream. Andrews Hall, our newest residence hall, truly fulfills the comfort and needs of today's students. It provides space for 550 students and features suite-style rooms and study and collaboration space. All of our residence halls have free laundry facilities and free Wi-Fi. In fact, our entire campus now features a 6E Wi-Fi network, making us the only public university in the state with this level of connectivity across campus.
The warm and inviting atmosphere of Morehead State makes it easy for students to connect, participate in organizations, and make lifelong friendships.
The 3-story Adron Doran University Center, commonly known as ADUC, features dining facilities with options that include a sport pub-themed restaurant and popular brands like Chick-fil-A, Steak and Shake, Moe's, Which Wich, and Starbucks. There is also expanded space for student meetings and collaboration, student services, a theater, and a tech lounge. ADUC is also home to an innovative esports lounge, one of the few of its kind at any university in Kentucky. We offer more than 100 student clubs and organizations, including departmental and sports clubs, performance ensembles, services and honor groups, sororities and fraternities, and religious and social organizations. MSU is always working to organize large annual events like Family Weekend and our homecoming celebration. Our Campus Activities Board and other student organizations organize concerts, comedians, guest speakers, community service opportunities, numerous music, theater, and dance productions, and other social events throughout the year.
MSU's commitment to your success starts at enrollment and continues throughout your life.
We look forward to welcoming you to the Eagle Nation.